Hi there, it's Ajonga Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. In this video, you will learn how to insert online pictures in Microsoft Word. To insert pictures from online in Microsoft Word, go to the Insert tab, click on it, and on the illustration group, go to Pictures, click on it, and scroll down to Online Pictures. Click on it and wait for it to open. It's going to take some time to open depending on the internet connectivity. And here we are. Now here we have so many categories of images here or pictures here. We have airplane. So if I click on airplane, we're going to have pictures of airplane. Alright, so we have pictures of airplane. If I go back and click on apples category, I'm gonna have pictures on apples. Now just select any picture you want. Say I want to choose this picture. I click on it and click on insert to insert the picture, and it has inserted the picture in Microsoft Word. Better still, another way we can do is we can insert picture is just by going to the search bar, type the name of the picture you want or type any picture you want, then insert. So go back to insert tab, click on it, go to pictures, and then go to online pictures and wait for it to load. And now you can just search on the search bar using Bing. So let's say you want a cow, just type cow and hit enter to begin your search. It's going to search and give you an image or pictures of cows. So here is the images of cows. Select the one you want and click on insert to insert the picture. We select this one and click on insert to insert the picture, and yes, it's going to download the picture and insert it in Microsoft Word, and we have the picture inserted. And that is how we can insert online pictures in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video.